In this video, I'll show you how to make a new purchase order in Jeeves desktop client. First, open the Programs menu and open Procurement. And open Purchase Orders by clicking Enter. Or go to the Open field and write to this field PE, which is the Purchase Orders program, and click Enter. At this point, we have opened the Purchase Orders program, and you can see the name of the program from here. Please note that the worm is now locked. You know that the worm is locked when you see the lock signs in the upper left corner. To make a new purchase order, click Ctrl+A. At this point, you will see many fields in this program, and we will start and fill the estimated received date to this field. Please remember to check that you write the date right. And after that, we will write the request / promised delivery date to this field, and please also check that the date is right. So the next step is to write our supplier to the company ID field. So write the company ID, or you can write the name of the supplier to this field, or a part of the name, and click Ctrl+space. And there we have suppliers, and we will choose supplier P and click Enter. And we will click Enter again. At this point, we have opened the Purchase Orders Rows program. You can see the name of the program from here. There are many fields in this program. For example, Purchase Orders Row Number. And as you can see, there are the dates we have just written. So the next step is to write the item number to the item number field. So we will write the item number, we will purchase to this field, or the item description this field. So we will write the item number and click Enter. As you can see, the item is bicycle helmet adult, and now it's time to specify order quantity for this item. And we will click OK. Now you can see there are new sheet for a new item. So this is Purchase Order Row Number, and the date are the same, and it's time to write the another item number to this field. And then we will click Enter, and we will specify the quantity and click OK. If you want, you can add the next item, and you can see the next item Purchase Order Row Number, but we will go back to Purchase Orders program, and at this point we have all information we will need to this purchase, and it's time to print a report. So there are options to print. You can, for example, print to PDF, send to mail, or print preview. We will choose print preview. And This is our very first purchase order print, so we'll choose purchase order not printed and click OK. And now we have printed our purchase order, and if you want you can reprint the order. Choose reprint purchase order and click OK. And here we have the purchase order. Finally, we have made the purchase order and we have also printed it.